Hello students. Today we see fourth lesson, that is Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, at the beginning of 17th century, that is Common Era, most of the territory in the Maharashtra was under the control of Nizam Shah and Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. हमारा महाराष्ट्र किसके अंडर था? अहमदनगर के निजाम शाह और बीजापुर के आदिल शाह के अंडर था. द मुगल्स हैड एंटर्ड खानदेश. देयर ऑब्जेक्टिव वॉज एक्सपांड देयर पावर इन साउथ. मुगल्स हमारे खानदेश में आ गए और उनका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था? टू एक्सपांड देयर पावर इन साउथ. ओके, दे वेयर सेटलमेंट्स ऑफ सिद्धि. There were settlements of Siddhi people who had came from Africa along the coastline of कोकर. वहाँ पे किसकी वसाहत थी? सिद्धि पीपल की. और वो कहाँ से आए थे? वो अफ्रीका से आए थे और कोकन के किनारे से. द कॉम्पिटिशन एंड कन्फ्लिक्ट्स अमंग द Portuguese and British, the French and the Dutch who had come from Europe was getting intense during this period. There was a stiff competition amongst them. What is there? There is a stiff competition. There is a competition among that Portuguese, British and French, Dutch. Okay, to capture markets for trade. किसके लिए? To capture the market for trade. Their goal is that capture to market. The Portuguese had already established their rule in Goa and Vasai on the western coastline. गोवा और वसई के किनारे में उन्होंने क्या किया था? अपने they are established their rule. Okay, the British, the Dutch and French had found an entry through the medium of trading companies by setting up factory. The British, Dutch और French ने क्या किया था? They had found entry थ्रू द मीडियम ऑफ ट्रेडिंग कंपनीज. यानी व्यापार के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया था? ट्रेडिंग कंपनीज बाय सेटिंग ऑफ फैक्ट्रीज. ऑल दिस पावर असेंस्ड द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ पावर अदर पावर्स, kept themselves safe and trying to dominate as much as possible. All these powers वो क्या कर रहे थे? एक दूसरे को डोमिनेट कर रहे थे and also they try to keep themselves safe. Okay, this conflict had created instability and insecurity in Maharashtra. इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ? There is a instability and insecurity. These different people from Europe were called topkar on the basis on their customary headgear. That Europe are called topkar. It is necessary to get acquainted with the village, that is Mauja, Kasba and Parangana, to understand the name of settlements in that period, as also the officers that formed a link between the rulers and their subjects, and also the markets and the craftsmen. Parangana was made of many villages. Parangana उस टाइम परंगना किसे बोलते थे? many villages togetherly called Parangana. Okay, and generally the headquarters of Parangana was called Kasba. उनका मेन ठिकान क्या था? कस्बा. एंड विलेज स्मॉलर देन कस्बा वॉज कॉल्ड मौजा. फर्स्ट इज मौजा, देन नेक्स्ट बिगर इज कस्बा एंड देन नेक्स्ट इट इज परंगना. लेट अस गेट एक्वेंटेड इन ब्रिक विथ विलेज, कस्बा एंड परंगना रिस्पेक्टिवली. चलो, परंगना, कस्बा और मौजा किसे बोलते हैं ये हम इस लेसन में सीखेंगे. तो पहले हमने क्या देखा इंट्रोडक्शन में? तो इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ 17th century, that is common era, Adil Shah of Bijapur, Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar were in possession of most territories in Maharashtra. The Mughals had entered Khandesh with an objective. Why? Because to expand their power in south. The Portuguese and the Siddhis control the coastal belt of कोकन किनार पट्टी को उन्होंने क्या किया था? कंट्रोल किया था. द पोर्तुगीज हैड एस्टैब्लिश्ड देयर रूल इन गोवा एंड वसई. द ब्रिटिश, द फ्रेंच एंड द डच वेर एंगेज्ड इन कॉम्पिटिशन एंड कन्फ्लिक्ट ड्यू टू द ट्रेड. The constant conflicts between these European powers resulted in political instability. वहाँ पे क्या थी? इंस्टेबिलिटी थी और इनसिक्योरिटी थी फॉर द पीपल. They were known as the topkar due to their header. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज विलेज मौजा. विलेज को क्या बोलते हैं? मौजा बोलते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल लिव्ड इन विलेजेस. विलेज वॉज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड मौजा. विलेज का नाम दूसरा क्या है? मौजा. द चीफ ऑफ द विलेज वॉज द पाटिल. विलेज का चीफ कौन होता है? पाटिल. ही यूज्ड टू ट्राई ब्रिंगिंग मैक्सिमम लैंड अंडर द कल्टिवेशन. उनका क्या काम था? वो क्या करते थे पाटिल? दे ब्रिंग द मैक्सिमम लैंड अंडर द cultivation. When there was any dispute in the village, the Patil resolved it and made peace. The Kulkarni helped the Patil in his work. The Kulkarni kept the record for the revenue that was the collected. There were various artisans, means karagir. Artisans means karagir in the village. They had hereditary rights regarding their occupation. The peasants gave a share of their agriculture produce to artisans for the service they rendered to the village community. This share was known as baluta. उसे क्या बोलते हैं? बलूता बोलते हैं. ओके. What is the work of Patil? The Patil is a headman. It is a village headman. He tried to bring maximum land under the cultivation. He also resolved the dispute. He also maintained the law and order in village. And second is Kulkarni. What is Kulkarni's help? Kulkarni's help is he helped the Patil. What is Kulkarni's work? He helped the Patil and he kept records to collect revenue. Okay, let's see Kasba. Kasba was like a big village. It was usually the headquarters of a parangana. That is Indapur Kasba of Indapur, Parangana, Vasai of Parangana, where the headquarters of Paranganas. Agriculture was the main occupation. There were skilled artisans like carpenters, blacksmith, etc. in Kasba. There was usually marked pet adjacent to Kasba. The Shete and Mahajan were the Watandars. Who is the Watandar? The Shete and Mahajans. Okay. Every village did not necessarily have a pet. The setting up a pet was the job of the Shetes and Mahajans. For that they received some land from the government and some rights from the villagers. The Mahajan maintained the accounts of pet. Okay. Kasba, it is a big village. Okay, and it is a headquarter of Parangana. There is a two officers, two Watandars, that is Shete and Mahajan. Okay, what is their function? Shete and Mahajan's function is the setting up the pet. उनका क्या काम था? to setting up the pet. Pet बोलते हैं उसे. मार्केट को क्या बोलते हैं? पेट बोलते हैं. And maintain the accounts of pet. और उनका अकाउंट चेक करना. इसके बदले उनको क्या मिलता था? For that they received some land from the government and some rights from the villagers. Student, here we complete village and Kasba. In next video we see the Parangana and the work of Warkari movement. Okay, thank you.